everybody, Thunder here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing our first ever vlog. Awesome. This is going to be a little change from what we mostly do. I'm going to...
What's up, bro?
That's WillStar and his amazing shoes. I'm pointing my camera at your shoes right now. Got a problem? Closer! So yeah, we're pretty much just walking to the riverbank. Huh? Well, 2 seconds later, then we're at the riverbank.
Wait, there's a badge. The badge is still there. I have one on Push's vlog, by the way.
Awesome. There's the riverbank. No owls in sight. There it is. There's a sanctuary over there. If you can just see it in the distance. I'll zoom in. There. Somewhere over there. We're just going to walk along the riverbank a bit. And then we're probably just going to go back, right?
I'm sorry if your screen is out of focus because I am actually tilting the camera every single day in my life. So sometimes
Uh-oh, nearly fell over.
Sometimes it's moving on its side.
First ever vlog.
That is why I have just realised I can do this.
I have just put mine on a sign, so get right, noobs. Noob. Awesome. Fun. Yeah.
What are you supposed to say? You're supposed to say something, you noob.
Awesome.
What the hell? No, what the... Oh, God.
Leave a like.
Yeah, thank you.
There you go.
You're supposed to do it on my channel as well. I am walking up there.
Okay. Guess I'll just catch up to you with my screen out of focus.
What the fuck?
Yeah, no swearing in my video, please.
I said,
Okay.
I'm not gonna swear, am I? I don't swear in my own videos. Most of the time. Most of the time. I probably swear once in my GTA video.
That's nice.
That's nice. Yeah, but in the vloggers there'll be no swearing.
Yeah.
There will only be
Commentary.
that is bad. That is bad. Commentary.
There is a cow way over in the distance that you guys can probably not see. Right?
You go first because I don't want my face.
Okay. Oh yeah, guys. So just to mention something, if you don't already know, WillStar is not allowed his face in videos.
Hello back.
Okay. Whatever.
He just hit me and tried to hit me.
I'm evil.
I just threw a rock at you throwing it over here.
Yeah, you don't want to do that, mate, because you have to pay for it.
I don't know money, I'm poor.
You got poor jokes, mate. Ah!
Well, I am actually poor.
Then don't be poor
I live
and
in
pay
a
for it.
rented house, you dumb boy.
Oh yeah.
I'm poor.
Well done.
I was kicked out of my own house. I actually had £2,000, thank you. Until I was kicked out of my own house and then the bank.
Time to look at horses for like 2 seconds. Yay.
Horses. Wait, I'm not going to do that because I'll show the license plate.
Yeah, that's probably a bad idea.
Okay.
Since we have to start a video again, we're going to have to get the horses again. So let's try and get the horses again. I'll just pause. So there are the amazing horses of horseness. See a horse's butt cheeks.
What are you even doing?
So majestic.
What do you mean at you? Look at the ones over there.
Hello, sir.
Look at the ones over there.
I can barely see you.
Not that one. Wait, this one I can see now.
Hello.
Go.
Okay, bye. And we're done.
Right, pause. I'm going back to No, never.
So basically, guys.
I will swear in your vlog.
No, you won't.
Yeah, I will.
What I'll be doing is basically I'll probably be doing a few more Yu-Gi-Oh videos. That's poop. I'll probably doing a few more Yu-Gi-Oh videos. I might battle one of my friends in a Yu-Gi-Oh video. And so basically the gist is I'm gonna mostly be doing Yu-Gi-Oh. I'm gonna show you the new items in battle, and I'm gonna try and start making like a big thing. So basically what I've got planned on Minecraft is, this is number 3 by the way, guys. What I've got planned is Minecraft is basically like this massive video. Well, when I've sorted my channel out so it runs more than 15 minutes anyway. But like this massive video, guys. And basically, it's going to be a big video. I might do it live, I'm not sure. It's going to be a massive video of us. I'm just going to point it at the camera, and I'll be in F1. It'll be a massive video. So basically what it's going to be, the camera might be a bit like wonky and stuff, but basically what it's going to be is it's going to be like kind of like a building challenge, but it's going to be, I'm going to basically just go on the Xbox, invite 1 or 2 friends, and basically show you five good ways to like kill your friends on Minecraft Xbox. I was thinking of doing like a top 5 at some point. Obviously you guys know that on my old channel I've done like a top 10 cancer starters. And basically, yeah, it's just gonna go down. This is probably one of the longest videos I've ever got to do on like an Android thing, so that's awesome. And guys, for the end of the video, I'm just going to quickly show you guys our little donation thing. And basically, for the end of the video, I'm just going to pause this now, and for the end of the video, I'm just going to show you this little thing. So I will see you then. Alright, so basically, guys, what I wanted to show you is really cool. Let me just turn the torch on real quick. There we go. See if I can find it. Not in there. There's a lot of stuff in here. That won't open. Not in there. Where is it? I hope you guys can see it, because it's here somewhere. Well, basically what it is we're having like a big donation thing. So basically we're getting all the money we can, and we're putting it towards buying a dog. And obviously we're going to do a vlog on that. And basically, that will be the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this short vlog. And without further ado, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.